Welcome to your easy guide on how to operate your new window. Let's start with opening it. First, unlock the window by flipping the latch at the center, then raise the bottom sash. To tilt it for cleaning, turn the tilt latches inward. Gently pull the sash toward you until it tilts down. Next, lower the top sash just a few inches. You'll see a trigger on each side. Press both and tilt the top sash down as well. Now you can easily clean both sides of the glass from inside your home. To return the window to its original position, start with the top sash. Push it firmly back onto the track. You should hear it snap into place. Then raise it fully to the top. Do the same with the bottom sash. Snap it back onto the track and lower it fully. Once everything's in place, you can relock the window. If you're having trouble locking it, double check that each sash is properly seated onto its track and pushed all the way up or down. Now let's talk about how to install your FlexScreen. It's a simple 4-step process. First, insert one corner into the top screen track. Now the second. The bottom is the third, and simply pull in the fourth and you're done. Removing FlexScreen is just as easy. Simply push in the center, grab one side with some screen cloth, now the other, compress, walk the bottom corner out, and pull down. It's that simple. If your window has a child safety lock, press the release button before opening the window. You'll notice the bottom sash will only open an inch or so. This is a built-in safety feature. And that's it! With just a few simple steps, your windows are easy to open, clean, and enjoy all year long.